Hi everyone, these are the calm, lush locales of the Spice Tree Munnar. You know, I'm just soaking in the vibes, the pure, pristine vibes of this secluded kind of a, forest retreat. Really, it is in its truest sense a forest retreat. Everything is so untouched and so raw and so close to nature that you almost become one with nature when you come here. And when you're one with nature, you are one with your inner self. And that dispels away everything which is not right in your life, So, look at this, how immersive this is. And I am at a very opportune time of sunset, Wow, what a lovely magical sunset I have here. Can you spot it? Please come along these winding paths leading to inner peace, solitude, not a voice heard except for the rustling of the leaves and the chirping of the birds. You can see the wind, it's very softly, it's rustling along the leaves. It's tenderly giving them the tender loving care, and everything is just so happy and so pleased in this environment, and so am I. Let's head towards the library area. So, they've earmarked the whole thing. There are pool villas. We also staying in a plunge pool villa. And then there is a tea lounge area. There is a library area. There are several activities that they provide at the property. Some of them are included in your packages. Some of them are, again, chargeable very nominally and very reasonably priced. So, simultaneously, you can also cast your eyes at the gorgeous view that accompanies you in this resort. Okay, so now we are headed towards one of our favorite spots that we always look for in such retreats, and that is a quiet corner of a library. Okay guys, now I've reached this little bit of a sit out, and here is when you just sit and quietly, just watch nature, just absorb it and just be one with it. Absolutely no stimulations, no distractions, and you can feel the healing power of nature. I truly feel blessed. And let me take you to a very beautifully curated spot here, which is their library, as I mentioned earlier. One of my favorite spots actually. Please come. And you're going to witness a surreal sunset here. Please come on. Wow. Anything for this treasure, this hidden gem in the jungle. Just you need to grab a book and you need to take your spot, and then you need to forget the world. This place will automatically, by default, make you forget anything and everything. And that is when you're truly present in the moment, and that is when you truly breathe, live, and heal yourself. Like, wow. This is the view I get when I grab this lovely book in my hand. And oh boy, am I thrilled? No, because I'm totally at peace now. I stepped out of the library and I find myself here. I really am tongue-tied to say what I feel about this place. I'm just lounging here. I'm just soaking in the vibes of this place, and this place is as pure as that word can, describe itself. It's just as if, the environment is godly. There's this magical, the sky is full of these vibrant colors. The sun is setting, the clouds are just making it look absolutely absolutely unbelievable. This is an incredible sight for me. You know, you look down, you look at the huge expanse of green, you know, this dense foliage, and then you look at the sky, and you just touched, and you just completely taken in, and you know, as you speak, you feel as if, you know, you're sulling this absolutely godly environment. There is a Malayalam bhajan probably going on here, very soft, melodious music, and I'm sitting by the poolside. There is this gorgeous infinity pool close to the library. I mean, where do you get these kind of things? This is so well thought of, so, you know, profound, such a mystic experience. I just cannot completely and fully express the kind of feeling that I have right now. I just feel that I've just become one with this enchanting and this magical realm. This seems like a different realm to me, you know. Hi guys, so we are at the vibrant Skystream Munnar. As you can see, these are the spectacular views, the magnificent views that you get from this beautiful property. This is a very boutique sort of a high-end property. This is limited number of villas, and there are plunge-pool villas. There are rooms with a view. About 12 to 14 rooms are there, and this is a very prestigious property of Munnar. Has been in operations for the last 10 to 12 years, or maybe more. I guess. And it's truly a jungle paradise, tropical paradise. They have provided me with excellent, truly special views of Munnar, and along with, they have such amenities. All the modern amenities are there. A beautiful infinity pool which is overlooking these absolutely breathtaking views here. And all in all, this is a must-visit property, and this should be a part of your itinerary whenever you're planning your Munnar trip. But do not miss this. You should try to stay here and experience a lot of serenity. They have a lot of in-house activities. They take you for long treks, and they really make it worth a while for selecting their property.